Hello friends, welcome to the third video of the Power of Python video series. Here we are going to discuss decision control statements. What are decision control statements? A control statement determines flow of set of instruction, that is, it decides the sequence in which instruction in a program are to be executed. There are three types of decision control statements: sequential, selection and iterative. Sequential means the normal program that we write one by one line with the help of Python syntax is known as sequential program. Then it is selection or conditional branching statements, in which we use if-else statement. Another type is iterative type of decision control statements. Here we use loops. So let us start with first if statement. There are four ways in which we can write if statement: purely if, nested if else and if-elif-else. So let us see how we can write if statement in our program by some examples. So first example we will take, that is eligible to vote. So if your age is above 18, you are eligible for voting. So let us take one variable age and we assign the value 20 to this variable. So we will write if age is greater than 18, greater than or equal to 18 rather, greater than or equal to 18. Then see friends, we have used keyword if and then we have written the condition and then we have placed a colon after that condition. And if we go to the next line, this particular space which is known as indentation it appears. So indentation is a crucial part in syntax of Python language. So we will write print you are eligible for voting, and if your age is less than 18, then we have to write the if statement in this way: if age is less than 18, print you are not eligible for voting. So if we run this particular piece of code, we will get you are eligible for voting. Suppose I write 15 in the 15 as a value for age. So what we will get, you are not eligible for voting. So this is also known as if ladder statements, which means the ladder wise manner we have written if statement. Now let us find out the larger among the larger between two numbers. First number, let us take 19, and num1 let us take 23. So if num is less than num1, we can write print statement like this: num1 is greater than or larger than num, and if num is greater than num1, print num is larger than num1. So here obviously num1 is greater than num, so we are going to get that type of output. Num1 is greater than num, and if we write 22 over here and we write 25 over here, so we are going to get exactly opposite answer. So let us come down to the next part, that is if else statement. We will take the whether the number is even or odd. So instead of writing two conditions, if we use else statement, the writing efforts are saved. So suppose we have taken a number 20 and we operate a remainder operator or remainder operation on that particular number. It is divided by 2, and if the remainder is equal to 0, we will print the number is an even number, or else. See, else statement comes exactly under if statement. Else after else we have to place colon also, and we have to write print the number is an odd number. So if we run this particular program, we are going to get the number is an even number. Then we have a nested if statement. So let us take nested if example as positive or negative number. So we will take a number num is equal to, let us assign the value 12 to it. Then we will see whether it is 0 or not. So num equal to 0 colon print, no, we will not print here, because we have to just find out whether the number is positive or negative. So we will take another condition if under the main if condition. So if num is greater than 0, print the number is positive number, and if num is less than 0, print the number is the negative number. So let us run this piece of code. Here we have made a mistake, so let us rectify it. So now we will get some answer like the number is positive number. So here we have to see whether it is not equal to 0 first, and then we will try to write the program. Now if there are more than two conditions present in the program, then we will use if-elif-else statement. So let us see here. Here we have just found out the number is positive or negative. Here we are going to find out whether the number is positive, negative, or 0. So First we will take a number, we will assign the value 89 to it. Then we will take if statement. If num is greater than equal to 0, then print the number is equal to 0, and we will take elif condition exactly below if statement, and we will write num is greater than 0, print the number is a positive number. Now this is a string, so that's why it has to be quoted, or it has to be surrounded by the quotes. And last, else, we don't have to write the condition in the else statement, so print the number is a negative number. So suppose we run this program, we are going to get that it is positive number. Let us write number equal to 0, so it is equal to 0, and last we have negative number, so we take minus 75, so it is a negative number. So this was the end of third video, part 1, decision control statement, in which we have seen if statement. In the next video we are going to see the iterative statements in the Python language. Thank you very much.